to my channel. Yes, today is your girl again, Bernice. Thank you for coming back. If this is the first time, don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. I so appreciate you all, my new subscribers and old subscribers. Thank you so much for your support. I see you. I see you, baby girl. I see you all. Yeah, don't worry, this look is coming to you. This look is coming to you. But now I'm here calling on all the small YouTubers, the big YouTubers, and let's grow together. Doesn't cost anything. Comment down below. Everybody knows that you're ready to be supported and you're ready to support someone else as well. Let's grow. Comment. Let everybody know that you're ready to connect with them. You're ready to grow together. And yes, let's do it. Comment and share with your friends. Whoever wants to grow, link them here. Let's grow together. Of course, don't forget me. Don't forget to subscribe to me, like this video, watch till the end, or watch at least 1 minute of everybody's video that you watch, so that it's genuine, only genuine subscribers. Please, you don't want anybody subscribing to you and then YouTube will take it as a, please, when you go to someone's page, watch at least a minute of their videos, like and comment, so that they know that you have been there and they will do the same to you. So let's do it right. Let's do it right. Watch it at least a minute and then like, comment and share. When you comment, then they know that you have been there and they know that they have to also get back to you in some way, because sometimes YouTube doesn't notify you straight away that someone has subscribed to you. Your numbers will change or will not change at all. Okay, they keep changing numbers, they keep cutting down numbers, but nobody knows what's happening. But whatever, we're here to support each other, we're here to grow together. So comment in the comment section. Let's do this, let's keep this going, and let's grow. Let everybody know that you're ready to grow, you're ready to stop and stop. You know, I'm not meant to use that word, but okay, genuine. Let's support each other. Let's go on, baby girl. Yeah, don't forget to subscribe to me, like and comment. Okay, bye guys, see you again in my next video.